Now we see next example on beta function. So evaluate the integration of 1 upon cube root of 1 minus x raised to 3. Limit of this from 0 to 1. So let I is equal to integration limit from 0 to 1. 1 upon cube root of 1 minus x cube dx. So first I write this 1 upon cube root of 1 minus x cube is 1 minus x cube raised to minus 1 by 3 dx. Now here it is 1 minus x cube. So I use function. So we can use beta function, use substitution. So x cube is equal to t. So put x cube is t. X becomes t raised to power 1 by 3. And if I differentiate it, dx becomes 1 by 3 t raised to minus 2 by 3 dt. So if x cube is t, then limit of x is 0, 0 cube, t is 0. X is 1, 1 cube is 1, that is t is also 1. So this integration I become integration 0 to 1, 1 minus t, x cube I replace by t raised to minus 1 by 3 into dx become 1 by 3 t raised to minus 2 by 3. So I become 1 by 3 constant term I take outside, integration 0 to 1 t raised to minus 2 by 3 into 1 minus t raised to minus 1 by 3 dt. So this is of the type beta of m plus 1. So minus 2 by 3 plus 1, comma n plus 1, that is minus 1 by 3 plus 1. So it is 1 by 3 constant outside. Beta of minus 2 by 3 plus 1, that is 1 by 3. Minus 1 by 3 plus 1, that is 2 by 3. So it is 1 by 3 times beta of 1 by 3 comma 2 by 3. Now we know relation between beta and gamma function. So beta 1 by 3 comma 2 by 3 is gamma 1 by 3 into gamma 2 by 3 upon gamma of 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3. So denominator gamma 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3 become 1. And we write this 2 by 3 is of the type gamma p into gamma 1 minus p. So therefore it is 2 pi upon sine p pi, that is pi upon sine pi by 3. So it becomes pi upon root 3 by 2, that is 2 pi by root 3. And we substitute here 2 pi by root 3 into this 1 by 3. Value of this integration becomes 2 pi upon 3 root 3. Now we see next example again on beta function. So before see if limits are not 0 to 1, but instead of it limit is given from a to b, and integrand contains x minus a raised to m, b minus x raised to m dx. In that case, we convert it into beta type of function by using the substitution. X minus a become b minus a, upper limit minus lower limit, b minus a times t, and this is converted into beta type of function. So let us see one example. Evaluate the integration of function x minus 3 raised to 1 by 4 into 7 minus x raised to 1 by 4 dx, limit from 3 to 7. So here let I is given integration, and if you observe it, it is a is 3, b is 7, integrand is x minus 3 raised to 1 by 4, that is x minus a raised to 1 by 4, 7 minus x, that is b minus x raised to 1 by 4. So this is of this type. So we use substitution. X minus 3 is equal to b minus a. 7 minus 3 times t, that is 4 times t. So x minus 3 become 40. If I shift this 3, x become 40 plus 3. If I differentiate it, dx become 4 times dt. And we require 7 minus x. So 7 minus x becomes 7 minus 4t minus 3. So 7 minus 3 becomes 4. It is 4 minus 4t. So value of 7 minus x is 4 minus 4t. Now we check the limits. Limits of x varies from 3 to 7. So when I put x is 3. So 3 minus 3. 4t becomes 0. T becomes 0. When I put x is upper limit 7. 7 minus 3 becomes 4. 4 is equal to 4t. So t becomes 1. So therefore it is limit of t from 0 to 1. So I continue this example with new limits. So integration 3 to 7 x minus 3 raised to 1 by 4 into 7 minus x raised to 1 by 4 dx. It becomes integration limit 0 to 1. X minus 3 become 4 times t. 4t raised to power 1 by 4 as it is. 7 minus x we calculate 4 minus 4t raised to 1 by 4 dx become 4 dt. To simplify this, we get it is 4, then this 4 raised to 1 by 4, 4 raised to 1 by 4, that is 4 raised to 2 by 4, that is 2, 2 into 4 it becomes 8, and it is of the type t raised to 1 by 4 into 1 minus t raised to 1 by 4. Value of this is beta 5 by 4 into 5 by 4. So if we simplify this, it is 8 times gamma 5 by 4 into gamma 5 by 4 upon gamma m plus n, that is gamma 5 by 4 plus 5 by 4. So if we simplify this, gamma 5 by 4 we can write 1 plus 1 by 4. So here also I write gamma 5 by 4 is 1 plus 1 by 4 or 1 by 4 plus 1. Now we know the property gamma n plus 1 is n gamma n. So it is 1 by 4 times gamma 1 by 4. Here also 1 by 4 times gamma 1 by 4. So gamma 1 by 4 become into gamma 1 by 4 become gamma 1 by 4 square. Then 1 by 4 into 1 by 4 become 1 upon 16. And gamma 5 by 2, if we simplify, 3 by 2 plus 1, then 3 by 2 into gamma 1 by 2 plus 1, we get 3 by 4 root pi. This is using properties of gamma function. So finally we get it is 2 upon 3 root pi into gamma 1 by 4 raised to 2. Okay. Now similar examples you can try. Evaluate the integration 3 to 5 x minus 3 raised to 1 by 2 into 5 minus x raised to 1 by 2 dx. So we simplify this example by using the substitution in previous here. So by using same property, you simplify this integration. This is of the type a to b x minus a raised to m into b minus x raised to n dx. So use the substitution for this. X minus 3 is 5 minus 3 times, that is 2 times t. So according to simplify, convert it into beta function, you get answer is 5 by 2. Another example, 0 to 4. A is 0, B is 4. So substitution, x become x minus 0, that is x become 4 minus 0, 4 times t. X become 4t and convert it into beta function, you get answer is 4. Okay, so you try these two examples similar to previous one. Thank you. I hope you enjoy this lecture. I also solve some problems on beta function in my next video lecture. So we will meet you soon. Thank you.